I'm a traditional healer. I have a doctorate in traditional medicine.
You have a doctorate in traditional medicine. Which university? Hey, my daughter. Which university? Which paper? You have a doctorate, PhD, Doctor of Philosophy in Traditional Medicine. Maweni. Which university? Haibo. Wow. Which university?
So you guys, Usangoma Gogo Nene is back and she's now trolling Gogo Maweni and decided to come for her title. Gogo Maweni says that she has a doctorate in traditional medicine and she calls herself Dr. Maweni. So Gogo Nene decided to do a digging on the institution that Maweni got her PhD degree at, and you basically can tell that she looked down at the college or the school that Gogo Maweni had gone to, you guys, and is also questioning the worth of the qualifications. So Nene posted a video of the college that Gogo Maweni got her PhD at, and it is called Mhlambu Hlangene School of African Medicine, and these are the price list, you guys. Mhlambu Hlangene School of African Medicine offers the following courses. Diploma in African Medicine, the price is worth 5,500 Rand. Bachelor's degree in African Medicine is worth 6,500 Rands. Honors degree in African Medicine is worth 8,000 Rands. A master's degree in African Medicine is worth 9,000 Rands. A doctorate degree in African Medicine is 13,000 Rands. A PhD in healing science, facilitation, and psychology is worth 15,500 Rands. Now, you guys, please take a look at this video that Gogo Nene posted on her TikTok about the college. But before I do that, do make sure that you subscribe, you like, and you also follow me.
This is where they get their PhDs. These are the professors, and this is